Welcome to the section Complete Website Homepage. In this section, we are going to finish the remaining parts in the website homepage. In other words, we are going to write code to display the top 4 best-selling books here, and top 4 most favorite books here in the website homepage. And as you can see in the homepage of the website here, we already display the top 4 newly published books here, and then after that we need to display the top 4 best-selling books and top 4 most favorite books. So by completing the website homepage, we complete the development of the front-end part of this project. And let's see the definition of best-selling books. Best-selling books are books which are sold the most. In other words, they are the books have the biggest number of copies or quantity reflected in the order details. And let's see the definition of the